Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're witnessing one of the most incredible hunting spectacles in the animal kingdom, the eagles. And if you love wildlife as much as we do, hit subscribe for more wild stories. For centuries, eagles have ruled the skies as nature's most formidable aerial predators. These winged hunters belong to the Accipitridae family, with over 60 species found across every continent except Antarctica. From the massive Steller's sea eagle with its 8-foot wingspan, to the lightning-fast African crowned eagle that hunts monkeys in dense jungles, each species is a masterpiece of evolution. But what makes them so extraordinary? Their vision is 8 times sharper than humans. Their talons exert 400 pounds per square inch of crushing force, strong enough to snap spines. When they dive, they become feathered missiles reaching 200 kilometers per hour. Today, we witness their most breathtaking skill, the art of the hunt. Eagles are built to hunt, but their greatest weapon, patience. Watch how they wait for the perfect moment. Now watch closely. This eagle has located a rabbit in the brush below. Once it locks onto its target, the attack happens with terrifying speed. The eagle becomes a feathered torpedo, tucking its wings into a 200 km/h dive. This is the fastest hunting maneuver in the animal kingdom. Look at this bold eagle spotting its prey from high above, locking in with laser focus, then turning sharply into a breathtaking dive. And snatch, dinner is served. Nature's precision at its finest. Now it races back to the nest, where 2 screeching eaglets crane their necks, gaping hungrily. One triumphant screech echoes, mealtime begins. Here another one, it spotted a fish. Watch how it adjusts its wings, calculating the angle. Now, it dives 40 miles per hour, talons outstretched. The eagle's claws sink into the duck, water exploding around it. It surges upward, prey secured. The eagles swoop down to catch fish and bring them back to the nest where they are now feeding their 2 hungry babies. Perfect strike. That's how it's done, but it doesn't always go this way. Here's another eagle. Same technique, same intensity, but watch what happens. The fish jerks left at the last second. The eagle's talons close on nothing, just water, wings slapping the surface before hauling itself back into the air. Here, watch this one. See how he fails? Eagles fail over half their dives, but they never quit. That's why they're kings of the sky, relentless. Watch now. This same eagle won't quit until it succeeds. And here, this is the moment it all pays off. The strike, the grip, the triumph, nature's relentless focus in action. But life at the top of the food chain comes at a cost. Across the globe, eagles face deadly threats, both natural and man-made. This is how an eagle dies in 2025. Not from old age, not from natural predators, from a power line we built across its hunting grounds. And this is just one of countless dangers they battle daily. The shocking truth? Over 60% of eagle deaths are caused by humans. But here's the good news. You can help turn the tide. Wildlife rehab centers prove these birds can recover when given a chance. Thanks for watching. If this glimpse into the life of nature's greatest hunters moved you, don't forget to subscribe. Every click helps us bring you more breathtaking wildlife stories, heart-stopping hunts, and the untold struggles of Earth's most incredible creatures. Together we can keep their stories alive. See you next adventurer.